Hi, in this tutorial we'll see how to enter bank payments. Option data entry, option daily entries, option bank payment. New button, click, date, voucher number, name of the bank comes automatically. Now bank payment, all bank payments made via check, NEFT, RTGS, etc. will be entered in this form of bank payment. Most of the bank payments by an LPG distributor is made to its principals, that is the oil company. In this case, in this example, it's BPCL. So generally a lump sum amount is being paid. In case if there is an invoice amount being paid, you can always enter the amount and write the invoice number in the narration. And if it's an NEFT, you can also mention that in the narration, and if NEFT is made through bank, you can, and a check is issued to the bank, you can write the check number, also the date of the check. Click save button. Yes, printing is not required and the entry is saved. Now let's find out the effect of this bank payment entry we made just now in the reports, that is the ledger statement. I select today's date for which we have made the entry, and I also select the name of the bank, that is Yes Bank. Show report, you will find this entry of 2.5 lakhs, 2,50,000 appearing here, paid to BPCL via NEFT, check number so and so, date so and so. Similarly, we can also see its effect in the ledger statement of BPCL, paid via Yes Bank through NEFT, check number so and so, amount 2,50,000. Well, this is how the entry of bank payment is made. With this, we are through with this tutorial, and thanks for your time.